In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can build an app with DeepSeek AI. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log into your DeepSeek account. Now, DeepSeek AI is a free AI bot which can help you with your projects. However, it does not help you directly build an app. As you can see, if I type here, build me an app and enter, the AI cannot help you directly. Instead, you have to type in a specific type of app. Let's say it could be a to-do list, a calculator. Let's say, make me an app, make me a calculator as a web app. Now, let's follow it with copy this. That computes, let's say, calorie intake. Once you enter, DeepSeek AI would not give you an app. Instead, it will make you a script which you can use on building your app, as you can see right here. So this is automatically a working app. As you can see, it's a ready to run calorie intake calculator web app built with HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. So you need to have these lines. What's the type of app? What is the platform? What technologies do you prefer, if any? And what would be the key features? Easy, right? So I now have a working code right here. As you can see, it's still ongoing. So once it's finished, you can download it or you can copy it and paste it on your app builder. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel as you saw this video helpful, please don't forget and click on the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.